Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add commands on Twitch. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC, and in the search bar you will have to search for twitch.tv. After that, you just have to log in into your account, and once you have successfully logged in, you just have to select the stream in which you want to add your commands. After selecting the live streaming, you are going to see this stream chat option in the right hand side. In the bottom, you are going to see this send a message box. So you will have to click on it, and after that you will have to type the exclamation sign. Then you need to type command, then space, add. After that you will have to use the exclamation sign again, and then you need to type any word like hello or hi or something like this. So let's say I want to type hello. After that you need to press space, and then you will have to type the message that you want to add into your command. So let's say you want to type how are you. After that you will have to press the enter button from your keyboard or this chat option in the bottom, and this way you will be able to easily add commands on Twitch. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.